Hello everyone, this is Kathy Lien coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. The Dow closed up nearly 300 points today, and while most of the major currencies benefited as a result, the euro did not. The euro really lagged behind. There are a few reasons for that. First and foremost, with the euro itself, we did have some cautionary comments from the European Central Bank, as well as broad-based gains in the US dollar. Now, typically, euro does benefit from the risk rally, but this morning, the quote-unquote minutes or the count from the last ECB meeting revealed that the central bank is worried about geopolitical risks, and they're also concerned about inflation not being on a sustainable path. So, these headlines, coupled with the recent trend of softer Eurozone data, caused the currency to underperform. And it was one of the few currencies that actually failed to participate in the risk rally today. Now, euro has sapped a 4-day rise to fall for the first time in 5 trading days. It looks like we could see further losses in the euro, but I still think that an extensive slide is going to be limited. And the reason for that is even though the minutes or the quote-unquote count of the last ECB meeting was more cautious, that was the ECB's view back in early March. This week, we also heard from ECB President Draghi, who thinks that wages as well as inflation is going to continue to rise as growth improves. And he did not see the Chinese-U.S. trade tensions as having a significant impact on the Eurozone economy, although it could impact confidence. His counterpart, Nwatni, suggested that the ECB could end its asset purchases this year. So, ultimately, we're hearing the more recent comments from European policymakers being more hawkish than the minutes that we had from early March. And I think it's a better reflection of how the ECB truly feels. So from that perspective, we think the euro's loss is going to be limited. Also, the market's still watching a lot of this political and geopolitical risk for the U.S. We have the president still trying to decide what he's going to do on Syria. We have, the House leader Paul Ryan resigning and the fear that more could follow. So I think, the possibility of ongoing risk, particularly in the weeks and months ahead, will limit the slide lower in the euro, particularly since, it's a lot of these tensions around the world are likely to worsen before they improve. So that's what I'm watching. This is Kathy Lien with coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. Thank you so much for listening.